So what is going on, everyone? I'm the boss with you here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to disable your default Windows antivirus, and let us begin. So firstly, I'm going to be checking you exactly where I'm going to be doing this. So I already have a different antivirus in my PC, so I'm going to have to run this in my remote computer. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to have to come to the start menu here, or start button, and you're going to have to type in security. Okay, so it's going to bring you this option here, but you're going to have to go for Windows security, or the other option is you're going to have to just go to what you have here, as that appears to be like this. Just click onto that. Okay, it's going to launch it anyway. Also, if you go ahead and type in security, it's going to bring up the same thing if you just go ahead and click what was there. So okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to have to just go to virus and threat protection, because usually if maybe you have a software that you've downloaded and it keeps on eating a file that is already there, so you're going to have to just come here to virus and threat protection. You're going to have to scroll down and then come to virus and threat protection settings. You're going to have to go to manage settings. So what you need to do is to go ahead and disable the real-time protection. You're going to scroll down and also disable the cloud delivered protection. Okay, yeah. Okay, so also we're going to have to disable the automatic sample submission and the temper protection. So what we're trying to do here is to disable anything that is going to alert this software to maybe delete anything or put any software in quarantine. So that is how you deactivate your default antivirus. So you can go ahead and install any software without it eating the files or trying to disable anything that you want to be running. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. I really appreciate so much if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.